days. The Tuesdays. And y'all know what happens on Tuesdays. It's webcam time. Or Fury. Or whatever the heck about Fury. What's on, everyone? To Fury Tuesdays. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing good. I am a bit on the lookout right now because I have seen a mosquito just fly around just now. So if you hear smack, that's why it's getting smooshed. But yeah, Fury Tuesdays. Give me time to work on a bit of the webcam. Yeah, I've been quite busy recently, not gonna lie, with Vigen, with the booth, with pretty much everything related to Furality. But yeah, everything is starting to move, slowly but surely. So yeah, that's good. Yeah, let me swap to webcam. All right. Hello. I'm on the VR account this time, not just a plain old proprietary thing. Just I'm on my own. I'm on the webcam, whatever. But yeah, there's still quite a bit of work you need to do on this. Actually, if I want this to be usable by people, that's gonna require quite a bit of work. Like, I need to adjust the controls because right now they kind of suck. Not gonna lie. I kind of want to have some maybe settable eye position because right now it's just front and then there. That's it. I'm gonna need some kind of way to actually make a dynamic thing so that you could, for example, like this. I want to spawn a new one. There's a radius. That's where you look at. I'm gonna have to do that at one point. But yeah, last time I remember I was working on the settings app side of things. So that's probably where everything's gonna go towards today. But yeah, progress. And also, let me move a couple avatars on the side. Yes, I put my heavy gin in. Last VR Tuesday, it was just like replaced with the Avgin release. Actually, I just realized today marks the 1 week since release. Time flies. But yeah, I put this in the camera. And actually, I'm actually wondering something because I noticed a little bug. Like with this avatar specifically. I don't know if it's just the webcam, but look at the ears. It's like the feathers are clipping when I move them side to side. But then look like sideways, I notice the stem is actually rotating on an axis that it's not supposed to rotate down. Now I'm wondering if it's something with the avatar itself or if it's something with the webcam. Or the angle. It's probably the avatar if I'm be honest. Probably. But yeah, apart from that it works pretty well, so let's go. Where's the other boy? Ah, yes. Having fun with all my avatars here. Who could forget? He's cute. He's cute. Man, I love the tutorial. And then a small tutorial. Did I delete the small tutorial? I might have deleted the small tutorial actually. A small one. Well, I guess not then. No small tutorial. Okay, I think I might have deleted it then. But 𝒱𝐵𝐸. While the webcam opens, can do it. I do need to open up the app. Right there. Let me show you a little bit of progress on something I've been working on for at least a meetup on Friday. Because on Friday, it's going to be the 𝒱𝐵𝐸 meetup for the release party. I've actually been working on my own little recolor here for the 𝒱𝐵𝐸. And right now I've just done like the main colors, organic and metallic here. I still need to tweak some stuff, but yeah, I just like quickly slapped on some colors to test. But yeah, that's gonna look sick. And I've also got the fins for Furality Aqua, which are also in a downloadable package for you guys to actually download. It does not include the asset itself, but it includes a prefab with the asset linked. So just download the package and you're good. And just be sure to import the fins and the shader too. But yeah, that's me, and it actually really looks like I just disguised myself as an 𝒱𝐵𝐸. It actually looks like it. Like, let me compare, actually. I'm curious. Let me go get myself. Let me just drop myself there. I'm curious now. Hang on. Might take a hot minute to load, though. Stand by. Yeah, man. I don't know why mine takes like 5 years to load when it's the first time loaded. Or it's just how that froze. It could be either. Like, I know it takes a long time for my Shona to load, but Eebish. That's a bit longer than I thought it would be. Is GT frozen? Is GT actually dead? Beans. Yes, floof. It's beans. Ah, yeah, floof. My Unity froze. Trying to import my sonar in the scene. God damn it. Fine, I'll flip and restart Unity. Which one? That's the new one. I want to end this one. Fuck, I ended the wrong one. I ended the wrong one! And it just finished loading. God damn it. Well then. That's a mood. Well, look, it literally looks like I disguised myself as an 𝒱𝐵𝐸. It literally looks like I disguised myself in 𝒱𝐵𝐸. That is, something. How dare me, I disguise myself as an 𝒱𝐵𝐸. Jesus Christ, that's some loud music. Shut up. There you go. Music. Don't break my viewers' ears. Thank you very much. You've been making automatisms. Yeah, yes. So what the heck is that line there? Some recolor issues. I'm gonna have to filter through those. But yeah, it literally looks like I disguised myself as an 𝒱𝐵𝐸. That's fun. Also, why do I have this face? What the heck? I think I just imported the 𝒱𝐵𝐸, so that's what happened. Anyway, that's how I look like. This is my boy. My little boy, my 𝒱𝐵𝐸. I call it the 𝒱𝐵𝐸. Which I'm still in the process of recoloring, but yeah. Yeah, you should actually definitely get the Avigen. You should definitely get it. It's never gonna run out of stock. You can buy my entire stock if you wanted to. It's just gonna cost you infinite dollars. Anyway, Unity opened. Alright. There. Okay. So Unity's opened. That's great. So that's the main app. But I kind of want to do the settings app. Now that I think about it, I need to write the settings app. Dang it. The settings app. Settings app. There we go. It is a really chill, so. Music is chill, so. Yeah, ODT always takes 5 years to load. Especially on bigger projects. My god, Project Flight takes 5 years to load. But the settings app, it's not too bad. Really not half bad. There. That's the Avigen. Dang it. There, why you're not showing that Unity? There's like 2 Unities, but I'll open the third one. Where the heck is it? Hypercam 2 that Avigen, yes. Hey Austin! Welcome! Thanks for the hydrate. But I noticed something is but no problem. I usually have a bottle of water. And I use it to avoid spilling everywhere, because sometimes I hit something and it just spills everything, and I don't want to draw my keyboard in water for the 4th time in a row. Problem is, I don't have the bottle. So now I gotta go get water thanks to you. I didn't think I'd have to do it immediately on the stream, god damn it. Well then, fuck. I'm gonna have to go get some water. Yes. And I'm gonna have to find some containment for the water so I avoid spilling it. God damn it. Yeah, the Icky, I will BRB. Thanks, Austin. low. Yes, we're back. And with water this time. I have acquired water. Time to drink water. Yes. Water gets water. Thanks, water. Oh, there, it's water and water, right? You've got the water, and then you've got the water. The water, and then the water. And the water is you. The water and water. Yes. Water is water, and then the water is you. Two waters. Who is this imposter? It's the water that I drank of. That's the imposter. That's what he's getting drank out of. That it's imposter. It's really about Trey disappearing. Hey, drinking shop, the drinking water means you don't like that water. So I'm not drinking you. Trust me. There's the Unity app. Okay, what position is it? But water exists to be drank. But the thing is, if you drink water, it's gonna disappear at one point because there's gonna be no more water. That's the thing. Once there's no more water, there's no more water. Would you like to disappear? No, fuck no. Acid. Acid. Fuck, acid, stop. Acid. Right. Yeah. It's just us. Okay, Austin, you can't stop. I'm out of fucking water. I'm out of fucking water, Austin. I'm out of fucking water. I'm out of water. There's no more water. It's all expired. Yeah, that water really went, huh? There's no more water. Yeah, that water's gone. So I guess there's just you then. Well then. Fuck no, Austin, I'm out of water. I have to go get more. God damn it, Austin. Fuck, you have to get more water. Why, Austin, why you gotta fucking do this? Listen, I don't have a massive cup like that chatty one, alright? I I would not have to do this if my bottle was already... If I had my bottle, but I don't have a bottle, so now I have to fucking go back. I took a smaller glass. I'll blow out some water, right? I took a smaller glass with less water in it, so that way it tips less if I bump into it. But now I have to go get fucking more. Oh, fuck's sake. Okay, fine, guy. Fine, I'll go get some more water. Fine, I'll go get some more water. I'll fucking BRB. God damn it, guys. Fuck's sake. Go let BRB. We're back with more water. God damn it. Okay, but fair warning, this is the last glass of water I take. Because the thing is, I don't want to actually ingest, like, a unhealthy amount of water. Because if you ingest too much water, do you know that it can actually be bad for you if you ingest too much water, so... Yeah, last glass. Because I've heard people drink too much water and they became blind, so... Because your, like, the blood dilutes in the water. If you drink too much, it's gonna dilute too much, you're gonna become blind. Or die. So... Yeah. I'll take a little bit of a sip here. Yes. Yes, Nightbot. Yeah, that's a good answer. Yeah. Oh, Nightbot, you're. Yeah, no. Yeah, that's 2 full water bottles a day. That depends. I guess it depends. But remember that there's also iced tea too, right? It's not just water, right? So... 80%. I thought it was close to 75, but okay. But you're gonna have to see how to rig a free camera. Yeah, probably. Yeah, for your vision. Man, I'm so excited for Friday's meetup. I'm really curious to see what people are gonna come up with the visions. It's gonna be super cool to see. Like, did you all get your visions yet? Make sure to go to bathroom. Yes. But yeah, make sure you get your visions. And come to the meetup on Friday. You wanna appreciate? You know that like an Avigen is like a fraction of the price of a PC, right? If you can buy an entire PC, surely you can buy an Avigen. But it's okay if you can't actually buy it now. It's alright. You can get it later. By the way. No, don't do it. By the way, at Furality, if you can't buy it now because you're too broke, then at Furality, if you attend Furality, you're gonna have a little discount. Small, but a little discount. Since it's still relatively new, can't make it too big. But there's gonna be a small discount. But there's gonna be a hidden code somewhere in my booth with a higher discount. And that one's gonna be quite limited. So yeah, better start looking in it. Could you just give me a gift signature to so I found discount? Listen, you already saw my face because of that. I think that's already a high enough reward. Yeah, he didn't already have beans. Lol, yes, they do. That's why you should get it, because I know how much you love beans. Boom. Okay. I never not to know what you got them. Rather, I put to your tip without being funny, right? Funny. You wanna find my burb? You go to my itch. But seriously, like, if you can't actually afford it, you should definitely wait for the discount if you can't afford it now. Do Avigens have tongues, by the way? They actually have a digital tongue when they speak one of the 𝒱𝐵𝐸s. Like on the screen, it displays a little tongue. It's very subtle, but it's there. In terms of a physical tongue, though, I haven't gone too deep yet in the lore. And I haven't gone too deep into, like, internally. I've done a bit of internally, like what the blood is composed of and how they actually operate, but not too deep yet. And I still need to work on it. It's a measure to have the chat family itself. Is it because it's not already scrolling? You might have to scroll manually with your scroll wheel in the chat. Alright, in terms of menus here, I'm gonna have to code some kind of animation, I think. For these menus on this side. These on the side here will have like these buttons. Are you still a visitor? Aston, are you really just a visitor still? Damn. So you tell me you gift like dozens and 69 subs and more, and you still ain't new user yet. I told you without one. Understandable, have a great day. But yeah. At one point it's gonna be that. I don't think it's 12 hours, I think it depends actually. I think it depends. I don't know. It's not really fixed, if I'll be honest. But, yeah, or if you really can buy it now, like I don't want to force you, like it's your choice. I'm gonna have a demo avatar ready soon. Like, it is ready. It is just not set as public yet. And I plan to set it public pretty soon, either at Furality or a bit before, like in the coming week. It should be a public avatar. The demo one, with a bit less features, less res textures. It's gonna be a demo one, as a demo should be. Do you even have a headset? Well, stand it. I mean, I've tested the 2D animations, they were fine, so I don't need to worry too much about that. Okay, VRA cam, main menu controller. Gonna make a control for that. I can rush helicopter. A rolling on the floor copter. I wonder how that would look. I could look up. I have fun playing with the animations as well, so. What's a debug actually? Debug. Ah, yeah, for the communication. He was surprised me at the meetup. Yes. Yeah, so you know, the meetup is gonna be like talking about the 𝒱𝐵𝐸, talking about having fun with it, playing games. Things like that. It's gonna be super fun. All fun. All as 𝒱𝐵𝐸s. I'll definitely run 𝒱𝐵𝐸 if I'm not of it, but as right now, that's a no. I mean, you could always set it up as a VRM yourself. Technically. You just need the knowledge to actually set an avatar up for VRM. Or then you're gonna have to wait for my... Yeah, I mean, you can't do it for VR... I mean, you can't do it for VRC yet, but you could do it for VRM yourself. For like for V's face. Technically you could. You just need the knowledge for that. Else, yeah, you'd have to wait for my package to come out. But I'm a bit busy with prepping stuff for Furality, including my own custom recolor. Because yes, I'm not gonna wear the default one for Furality. I'm gonna wear my own custom recolor. Of course, I'm gonna be my own burb, right? Like I'm gonna be my own little, like, you know the dude. I'm gonna be this little boy most of the time, but I kind of want a lot of the time to also be where is it? There's my boy. Also be this. That's the default recolor, by the way. But yeah, 𝒱𝐵𝐸. It's cool, but yeah, just play a bit of VRC, just go a little bit around, avoid public worlds, maybe. Just go around, make some friends, and you're gonna have the ability to upload in no time. Anyway, also, just in terms of setup stuff, I actually, because right now I have to swap between those two, like, separate. But I have a plan to actually set up a third monitor so that I can have my streaming set up on the second monitor, my main edit on the main, and then on the third monitor, put either scripts or chat. I know, Rich. No retro, there's Super VR Ball, I know. But there's also other worlds that are super fun as well. What else was what Austin's into? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm trying to make progress here, alright? I've not done a single bit of progress for the past 50 minutes. No, no. I don't even have a bean! I can't even open it! What do you have to get to eat on? Yeah. Well, I drink too much. I mean, it's not alcohol, but still, it's just water. But I don't drink too much either. Dummy's gonna drink too much, though. Mike, you... No. No. Bad retro. Bad. Bad. Bad retro. No. Bad retro. No. I refuse. Bad retro. Now. Austin, that's your quote, that's not mine. That's it, that's your quote, not mine. Yeah, Austin. Nightbot, save me with a counter quote. Quote Austin. Save me. Yes, thank you. Damn it, iBot. Is that another one? The contour. Yeah, okay, Nightbot sucks. Hey, look! I'm being bullied. There you go. There's a Nightbot. Thanks, Nightbot. Thanks, Nightbot. My God. I forgot you. Yeah, thank you for the resub. 11 months. Yes, it's an Evision. Did you get yours yet? Did you get yours yet? Fuck it, Austin. Meet up on Friday on stream of Evisions. Boy, alright, okay, let's attempt some progress for once, damn it. Okay. Hopefully I won't get bullied by anything else in the meantime. Oh boy. I'm digesting that water now, dang it. Anyway, so, the main controller, for fuck's sake, Austin. God damn it, Austin. So, the main controller of the UI of the flipping shading app will manage to good night retro will be fuck's sake. I know it's a racy fuck's sake. What the fuck is the H? There is the HD. There we go. Okay, well, you know the drill on this one, right? 1 moment of silence, please. Also, why the heck is the webcam that low? Well, I guess you're gonna be hypnotized here. 1 moment of silence, please. Hang on, where's the expression? Damn it. There. 1 moment of silence, please. Refreshing. Also, having drunk that much water, it does not even taste like iced tea anymore. It does not even taste like iced tea anymore. What the fuck is happening? Iced water. Yeah, that's pretty much what it tastes like. Water. Yeah, that's a good description, yes. Yeah, it didn't even, it tasted like half that iced tea. Not exactly like iced tea for some reason. The Chad iced tea. No, nothing's gonna top the Chad. Nothing's gonna top that one. In terms of taste. Nothing's beating it. Anyway, the main UI controller, so its goal, it's gonna be to control the menu on the left of the camera. So where the heck is Visual Studio there? Whatever is on this side, right here, is gonna be controlled by that controller. So idea is, when you click on one, it unselects the current item. Well, that's some massive lag spikes. What the heck? Why am OBS? My god, that streaming setup sucks. Like, why the lag spikes? It's so strange. Okay, now I'm just baffled. Like, the entire OBS lags. Is there something in Windows that's completely messed up? Like, it just lag spikes like crazy. Man, I would definitely need some kind of, like, dedicated machine that just takes care of the streaming and has like the capture card to capture any of the sources I send to it. Man, this is so strange. Why does it do that? I really don't know. Like, it can be the programs, right? Let me close this. I don't need this. I don't need that need. I don't need this either. I'm gonna close that. You need C. I can close out of this. Let me close up a lot of programs here. That I need, that I don't need, that I need, that I don't. That I need. Both of these I need. close both of these. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Have I messed up something? Run a new task. Okay, or .exe or .exe. Yeah, I close the export back. So there you go. That I need. I'm gonna close off this. Close off this. Close off this. Close off this. Close this off too. Close all of these. And this can be paused. Okay. Did that improve anything? It did improve quite a bit, but I still see a little bit of lag spikes. It's not bad though. Anyway, what was I saying? Okay, so that menu, the idea. Actually, fuck! I just realized I have some hydrates to fucking do. Good even. That's the water. That is the idea. All right, back to business. I don't just keep you know they're blocked. Okay. Now they're gonna be like that. Okay. Everything. Okay. Let's see if I can actually finish saying it this time. Oh yeah. Also, you're going to because you asked. So yeah, she had to ask. But yeah. So that menu idea is when you press one of those buttons, it deselects the current UI. And then all of these are gonna move outside to pop the new one. And they can also fade. That's gonna be the idea. And I'm gonna use some curves to actually do that. With an animation that can select the specific group and animate it. So for that, yeah, I was also saying that I want to set up a third screen so that I can have my scripting somewhere and probably like on the side, like for example, it will be something like this and have the script like somewhere on the screen, but I don't know where. But that's the idea I have for the next setup. Okay, so I want to get for sure using. Can I get some light? Now it's I don't have a lighting option. Okay. Well, I want to read that was lagging it, but whatever. I want to get Unity Engine dot UI 100% to control the camera groups. I want to also get event systems. That way, I can tell Unity to unselect the button once it's clicked. And I actually don't want to have like controller input either. Would I have a way to unset that though? I know there's an event system thing that's generated. if I were to uncheck this, maybe that would still work. Maybe if I uncheck the shadow input module, it should still work. Maybe. No, it does not actually work. Ah. Interesting. Because I don't want to actually be able to control like this either. So I need this to be on. Eric, hello! I'm doing good. I'm doing good. How about you? Hopefully you're doing good too. I just got bullied for the first hour with water. No biggie. You see, definitely no biggie at all. But E, you okay? Nice to hear. Good to hear that. Yeah, I'm especially excited for who's bullying me? If been bullied by Ashton, they made me drink too much water. Too much water. But yeah, I'm actually super excited for Friday. The Abidjan meetup. It's gonna be cool. But also, I just gotta point out something. For Furality, the schedule. Where's meetup? The meetup for the Abidjan is gonna be on Friday, 7 p.m. EST in VRC. Get yourself an Abidjan, recover it, and come have fun with us. It's a party release. A release party. What am I saying? But yeah, actually, what I said is like, I want to stream Furality Aqua. And I was like, okay, like I know stuff like Bird Meetup, Proto Meetups, those are usually like second and third days. The Pro Meetup, yeah, that's like second day, perfectly fine. The Bird Meetup is literally the first meetup on the schedule. At like 11 a.m. EST. It's literally the first one. So I'm gonna have to wake up quite early for that one. And start my stream early to have the time to actually visit the main world. And oh boy, that's gonna be fun. No. But you can come in 2D too. Like you're just supposed to 2D too. Alright, hang on. What's this to the list? I've got the UI, I've got the event system. I'm gonna put TM Pro in there just in case. I blacked out. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there just in case. I don't think I'm gonna need anything else. Things are gonna be good like that. Okay, so let's do that animation, shall we? So I want to do an event. Okay, so there's gonna be an animator somewhere, that's for sure. I provide animator. Animate menus. And now I want to have a couple things. I want to have canvas groups. Menu prev. and menu next. And now I can... Actually, I could do menu next here, and then prev there. That way, over here, I can do a private canvas group. Current menu. But no, I think this needs to be a constant. I don't think I can do that. Yeah, it needs to be a constant. Working on the menus for the VRA cam. Oh fuck. I can do null. And if there's no menu prev equals current menu. And then if the next menu, mesh extend, no, next menu, if it is not equal to the current one, then we can do the transition. Because what's the point of transitioning to the same menu? And also that would probably cause an error or something. So better do it like that. And I'm gonna put the original there. Because animators need that. So I have current menu. I'm gonna have a public animation curve for, I wanna do, yeah, 4 curves. I'm gonna wanna do some kind of, like, one for the opacity of the first one for the opacity of the second one. And then I'm gonna want some curve for the position of the first menu and the second menu. I'm gonna need curves for both of these. I could potentially do just one and then invert that curve potentially. But I do like the idea of having both. So I might do I'm gonna do menu next opacity, menu prev opacity, then menu next expose, and menu prev next pause. Okay, that should be good. You're gonna practice makes it perfect, Mako. So okay, next opacity, okay. Right now, I could potentially start that. And there, no, I need one more variable. I'm gonna need public float transition time. How long is the animation gonna last? So when I first start the script, I'm going to want to set menu next dot interactable to false. Actually, no. Invert that. Previous menu delete that. No, I'm gonna keep that current menu. So menu next, I want to put it to true. And the previous, I want to put it to false. And also I want to set in here, current menu equals menu next. Where the reference is there. Okay, I'm gonna need some kind of function to actually like override the because I want to be able to click like fast and not wait for the animations. So how can I do that actually? I could put a coroutine function here. Menu transition routine. I wonder, no, I can't put the canvas group as a variable, can I? Could I? Maybe. I don't think I can. If I do a public void button press, and then I put in a canvas group variable, okay. Stock routine, animate menus, press menu. Like that. I don't think that would work if I had to go into buttons. These ones. If I had to do here, main controller, button press. Oh no, I can. No, I can. Good. So now I can put a like this on like this button, for example. I can set the script, button press, and then place in there the canvas group I want to actually affect. So which one is the next one? I can do the same here for every single one of these. There you go. I'm gonna have to set the menus after. Back to Visual Studio. If previous menu, exist, do that. If menu, current menu. I also have to test if the menu next is null. If menu next and menu next is not that. That way it's gonna test if it's null. If it's null, it's not gonna execute. It's just gonna skip ahead to the end of the function. Probably do this as well, because I'm not just thinking menu pref just yet. I can't just do that. Yeah. So now I'm setting the interactions. Okay, I need to also test if the function is running, at least for now. So if this actually equal to null. That, and at the end of this, right? And then I can do a, just to be safe. And that should set it back to like it doesn't exist anymore. Now time to actually code the thing, so I got the previous menu, okay, so that's done. I'm saying the current menu, once everything's valid. Set this. And now I gotta do the animation, so that's gonna be float time equals 0 to start with. Okay, so that's gonna be the current time. And I can do a while loop. While time is smaller than transition time. And I can do at the end of time plus equal time dot delta time. Like that. And also a yield, return null, like so. And now in there it's gonna be, that's gonna be the animation itself. So the first bit I want to animate as a test will be the opacity. So yeah, or actually add maybe you know what? Potentially I could, for like that button spam, I have an idea now. Public bool is running animation, set false first. Then in here I can set is running animation to true. And while that, oh, what did I do? What? Okay. Okay. I pressed the button back then, I don't know what I pressed. If it's running animation, then continue doing that. Else, after the while, there's gonna be the actual like set in the final position and everything. Okay, so I can probably do like a private void. Actually, I kind of want to do an animator on this one too. That way. Okay, there. Whoop. And then when I start animation, I want to set is running to false. I might return 2 nulls, so it waits 2 frames. And then I start this. So that way, in case like it runs this one, it encounters this. In case the code picks back up this one first before this, it's gonna encounter a second null, which is gonna give the time for this one to complete. And then start the thing. Right, okay. Actually, I might still set this to that. No, I can't. Because the thing is, if you press it super fast, with like an auto click or something, you could potentially break this. Now, I don't think that's gonna happen like very often, so I don't think it's like much of a problem here. I'm just gonna keep it like that. But the animation itself, I'm gonna test the opacity first. So I want to do menu next dot alpha equals menu next opacity dot evaluate. It's gonna evaluate the curve using a value, and I'm gonna pass in the time value divided by the transition time, pretty much. So time divided by transition time. So what that's gonna do effectively is gonna convert the range of 0 to whatever time it is from 0 to 1. That way the curve itself can be a curve from, it starts at 0 and then on the time it goes to 1. But then that gets stretched depending on how long the transition is. So you don't need to make one curve per duration by doing that. And I can do the same for the previous. And that technically would give an expected result. And then here I want to set menu next to 1, menu previous to 0. After everything's done. Like that. So now in theory, if my theory is correct, let's do a test. So I've got this here, that's the side menu, capacity, okay. So main grid, I'm gonna duplicate that grid and call it back. Why didn't you copy? Copy, paste. Thank you. Back. Go back. Okay, so now I can set this to have a canvas group. And then this one too. I get called this just back for now. Okay. Let's see. So this button I want to have this canvas group. Set this one to be at 0, non-attractable. And let's do the general button here with this canvas group. And in theory, that should work. And you did not see anything because of my setup. That sucks. But yeah, so what I did is that I duplicated the group. I duplicated the menu, so that way there's like a second one here. We're just back. And that button has the main canvas group here. And that button here has the back canvas. So technically, if I click on general, it should swap between the two. In theory. Nothing happens on general. Ah, you know what? Because it's also a recast target. This is blocking this one. Right, okay, so I need to change my code quick. I also need to add the previous menu. Block raycasts. Set to false. And then next, block raycast to true. And that should fix it. Right, because I also need to go and set here. Fair enough. There. Now let's see. Now there, it's not blocked. And if I click this, actually it's not gonna work exactly yet. What's the time? It's 0, so it's gonna transition immediately, technically. No reference exception. Of course, it's a no reference exception. Where? Ah! New prev is null. Fair enough. Yeah, abstract turn menu then. Or something. Very quickly go in and serialize that field here. That way in there, I can go and set the current menu to be this. That should not error allocate. Let's do a transition time of like 0.5 seconds. Menu opacity, I want a next opacity upward curve. And this one, I want to be down to 0. Yeah, okay. So now it should transition smoothly. Hey, coach is all dang it. Why can't I click? There you go. Start coaching transfer coaching is no. What? Ah, because I did the wrong script here. This needs to be start animation instead. That would explain it. Boom, boom. And if you mash it, like it's not breaking. Let's go. But I want to get a little movement animation too. What's the position of this? It's 0. That's good. Good. I just need to move the left value, not the right. The left value. Actually, no, not just that. Down. Damn. That's a problem. That does stretch. Okay. Which is what I want, but I need to move the whole thing, not just that. If I move this, it's gonna move the entire menu. Let me put an empty in here. Anchored there. And I plan this to be stretched like that. And now it's gonna be, yeah, I mean, it's fine like this, right? If it's in 3 aspects, it should still be fine. Yeah, it's still fine. That is still perfectly fine. I'm gonna name this. Not canvas. I'm gonna name it group. Put this one here. Put this. Bam. Bam. Remove. Call this one group. There. Canvas group. And canvas group. Okay. Now I gotta set those buttons again, and it should still link up fine. That should still work. Dang it, I need to sauce it. Different menu. Ah! Bam. That should be good. There. No bugs, nothing, everything works fine. Now, I want to code the position. So for the position, I'm going to take this object, which is set to 0 position X, and I can just slide it off. Like -300. To completely hide it. It would be cool though. I could take this whole thing, make it a mask. That way this stays in there. Oh, grab the icons. Icons, why still? Why do you exist? Maskable. Set them all maskable. There. And that will never leave its box. He's officially trapped in there now. There you go. So now I want value 300. So in the code, I can do menu next dot is it gonna be transform or rect? Wait, yeah, rect dot rect transform? No. No, I need to get the component. Interesting. Hey Tony. Hello. I need to get the component. That. Yeah, by the way, Tony, just so you know, I got bullied with drinking too much water earlier. Just so you know. But thanks for the reminders anyway. Yeah, I want to get direct transform. Yeah, everything's fine. Don't worry, everything's good. I will call this next RT. And menu prev RT. For not ray tracing, but rect transform in this case. And that I might want to do the declaration after here. Menu next rect transform equals menu next equals get component rect transform. What? Oh. Maybe next dot get component. Nothing already? No, nothing's wrong. I mean, the only thing that's wrong is like the 𝒱𝐵𝐸 on this one. I don't know why it does that. It's not doing that on the your chat side of things, but I'm gonna check that later. Probably one of the exclusions not working. But yeah. So when we next start get some components, yes. And I want to do the same for the previous menu. Now I want to do where next RT dot position X. Can I set this? I can probably set it equals menu next expose dot evaluate time divided by transition time. Because it is not a I can't do that. Yeah, I was busy last night. Yeah, actually, there's been a lot of people that I've seen people just messaging me. Hey, can I join in VSC? Can I join in VSC? No. Sometimes I'm just busy doing stuff. Like, and I'm just busy, alright? If I'm on VRC, like, maybe it's not, like, if I don't respond, that's probably because I'm busy. If I don't join, yeah, that's probably because I'm busy. If I don't accept the invite, I'm busy. That's mostly what's happening right now. Not specific to you, Tony, but other people too. It's not specifically you, it's other people too. But Yeah, peeps. Just a reminder, like, you don't need to ping me to like, hey, can I join you? Like, I've seen people do that. Kind of annoying, especially if you get a ping for that. But yeah, like if I do some kind of community thing with like where the community can join with a Discord, then yeah, I'm gonna send like a link and people can use the link. But if I'm not doing an event with the Discord, you don't need to ping me in the Discord to ask me to join. You know, those things can be done in DMs too, right? So yeah, TLDR, if you want to ask me if you can join me, please do so in DMs. And just be aware that if I'm on VR chat, it's probably for some kind of work thing, for an Avigen or an avatar, or I'm already with other friends and having fun with them. So yeah, like if I get an invite inside VR chat, that's not an issue because I see it, it's not invasive. But yeah, getting a ping on this Discord server of my community is a bit annoying. So yeah, just wanted to let y'all know. Do not join me through the Discord server, and especially not ping me either. And that I'm mostly busy when I'm on VRC with other friends or for myself. But as I told you, it's not just you, and I'm not talking that it is you either. Like, you've been very good with this. Just talking about some other peeps. No naming here. Anyway, back to actual coding now. First, dot evaluate time/transition time. Right, I need to set the. I mean, don't try to guess. That's a bad idea to try and guess. Because I know exactly who you're talking about. I know it's not them. Right, so I need to use a different thing to actually set that. Especially I don't know, that takes a transform. I don't want transform. Anchored position. That's what I want to set. But I still can't set it. Okay, so it's gonna be right. I'll talk about it. Interesting. I might look into it then. We'll see. I'm trying to focus on Furality first, though. Is it gonna be left or it's gonna be right? I want to multiply right times this. There. That's what I want. There. So in theory, this should be good. For the animation. This should be good. Hey Dev and Law. It's me, Protoburb. I have become Protoburb. For once I have one. Because I made it. Okay, so menu position, so the idea I had. That's the next menu. Okay, so I'm gonna have to move it which direction? Was it positive or negative? Negative. So I want to start in the positive on this one. For the next menu. Jesus. Everything. Everything. Everything is awesome. This. So the value of this there, set flat. Now when I go to 300. A little above. Like that, that could be cool. And then there, I set that value to 0. And this one, zoom out this way. And set this one flat. Oh, well then. Oof. Okay. Time 1. Right tangent. There. I gotta put it to 400 just to be safe. How is that gonna look? That is sick. I know. Oh, my deselects too. Nice. That is very slick. Very slick animation. Also, I need to set this image to be... I guess target. No, maskable. There it is. Very slick. Very smooth. And real sided ones looks really nice. I'm really happy with how that turned out. I can't mash it, however. So I'm wondering. could potentially remove that line of code and see what happens. Is that gonna break it? It should not, I think, if I remove the weight. So it works. You can mash it and it still does not break. But maybe it's a better idea to have the break. Just on this thing. Anyway, it's like it's a decently fast transition, so I don't think a little break is very problematic. But maybe having... I'm not sure actually what's better, with or without anymore. Because some people might be like, oh shit, and then go back. And if they go too quick, it would not actually trigger. It's like, oh crap. Instead of like, oh crap, it does not trigger. Yeah, I think like that is fine. So now I've got a menu system running. That's cool. I would need, however, do I need to have like a separate back button? I think it's gonna be fine just as it is. Try like a back button at the top. That should be fine. Okay, let me look at the the general settings. What does that have right now? It has only a tracking method section, which I don't think is very necessary. Oh, but you know what? Because of my setup, technically, I could apply this to this section too. Technically, I could do that. It's possible now. I don't see why that would be an issue now. And I can potentially have the avatar list could be like buttons like this with the avatar thumbnail on the side and then the name and maybe description or something inside a little list. And then at the bottom there could be an avatar preview or something. And it could load it via the settings menu too. Maybe. I still need to complete my avatar system, damn it. I feel like I need to rewrite it from scratch. Because at the moment it's like still in a kind of hard-coded way. It's yeah, it's like I can't implement it super easily into games. That's the thing. I really need to work on the avatar aspect. That's what I'm noticing now. I really need to work on that avatar aspect. Because like the loader itself, like the loader works and everything, but it's like it's not actually loading anything like in a modular way. Everything is kind of hard coded. I would need to like make separate scripts which load the avatar differently in it every time. But I also need to figure out a system for having the metadata of the avatar in there too, like a thumbnail, like encrypting the avatar, having it decrypt too, thumbnail, name, description, all that metadata needs to be written somewhere. But I still need to work on that. And that's what I'm realizing. And I'm going a bit on in circle here, but man, what should I do to improve the artistic? Like, should I continue working on this? Or should I actually improve the system? Because like, yeah, it's good to have VRM and all, but it's not as detailed as the actual like VRA system that this is based off. But I would need to have like the goal with VRA is to have something that's like human readable and people can actually use in their own games too, and that can be implemented in multiple ways. Like if you want to implement it as like just to load an avatar, like something, a model, do that. You want to load it with Furality, you can do that too. You want to set up full body tracking on it, call a function, set up full body tracking. Like I want something that's like an avatar system that's like modular and everything. But yeah, right now it's not like that. I really have to code everything myself. It's not intuitive. Like I think the first idea would be to actually get the encryption and everything working. Because right now it's just like regular Unity packages, there's nothing special about them. But I want to encrypt the package and then put that inside some kind of like zip file or something. I don't know. I'm wondering. Later back out. I don't know what I should do. Like, should I go in, like, do I have time tonight? That's the thing. Because I know I had like a buttload of issues with encryption and building encrypted avatars. But if I can get like encryption going with the SDK part, that would be good. Because that's kind of like the missing link with VR. It's to actually encrypt the avatars, and then the zipping, I think, can be done easily. I actually want to check something. I want to... Well, that is the key part. Now I'm just confused of what I actually wanted. Oh god. Yeah, I'm just trying to read from something here while this happens. Hey! Oh, I crap pepperoni! What the heck? Chaotic! Hey, Chaotic! Thanks for the raid, holy shit! Welcome, Raiders! Welcome to my stream! Thank you, Chaotic, for the raid again! Holy crap! Welcome, welcome, welcome! Welcome to my little, existential crisis stream. But yeah. And welcome, Raiders! Oh my god, that's a lot of fun. Holy crap. I'm really, but who are you calling smelly here? Who are you calling smelly here? But yeah, oh my god, I'm that out of follows here. Neil the Shark, real music, Neil the Blue, and Vortex RBF. Thank you for the follow. Welcome off to the birds. Welcome, peeps. I guess that's a good moment to actually introduce myself, I guess. Let me actually go back to my burp. Hang on a second. Where is it? That's a brute. That's a doggo. That's a hologram. That's a fish. There, that's me. That's me. Hey, Raiders. Hello. So, I am, if you don't know me, I am Mike the Bird. I am a game dev that pretty much does everything himself. Includes the codes, the animations, the music, even down to the font, dang it. I do everything myself. And yeah, I stream all kinds of creative stuff during the week. Today I stream VRA Tuesdays, which I'm coding my own avatar system with my own VTubing webcam, which is what I'm using right now here in the corner. My own tubing webcam with a tracker. On Friday I've got gaming. On Sunday I've got Creative Sundays, just creating about anything. And at one point I'm gonna do a season 2 of Avatar Mondays where I make an avatar. Because yes, I also did an avatar recently, and it is out right now. It is called, that's what you saw actually earlier. Where's my image? There. It's called the 𝒱𝐵𝐸. It's the first avatar base I ever done, and I did it quite a bit live on stream. So, yeah, check out my itch for that. It just released, and I'm trying to do a meetup on Friday with the 𝒱𝐵𝐸s, but yeah, I do all kinds of stuff. And I'm gonna be at Furality too, with a booth. So, yeah, all kinds of good stuff. Well, yeah, thanks again, Chaotic, for the raid. Holy crap. That's not really looks amazing. Oh, thank you, Suki. Really happy to hear that. Man, even I'm currently making my own custom recolor, and I also released a little package with some aqua fins as well, and the aqua shader. If you want to import it yourself, you first have to import the aqua fins and the aqua shader first. But after that, you import that extra package, and you have a aqua ready 𝒱𝐵𝐸. You always come back, ad. Yes. Yes, burp, stinky burp. No. Bork, bork, stinky. No. Jasmine spit. No. Why you call me stinky burp? Why? Why stinky burp? Why? I'm not stinky. I don't know. Anyway, Shaky Shield VR, powers on, and Ponelo, thank you for the follows. All 3 of you. Welcome to the birds. Oh, my cup is filling up, I think. my good little cup over there is filling up. And look, they said it twerky. God damn it, guys. The flippin' twerk, of course. Gotta put my go cheap sound. Yes, very stinky. Stinky, yes. No. No. I got my wrong buttons down. No. Where's the button? There. No. I ain't stinky. I'm a burb. I'm not a stinky burb. I shower every day. And I ain't stinky. Anyway, I was working on this, which is a little. It was already on play. It's a UI system I'm working on for the little webcam with menus that I just animated too. My feather smells like burp. Yes. I don't know, does that work? Yes, that actually works through. Yes, I can control my own webcam using this. Like, I can control the exported webcam with this. Let's go. And camera presets, let's go. Everything's good. I'm clean burb. Yes. Very clean burb. Say, I was wondering, before the raid, I was asking myself, either I continue working on that UI, or I try and go and continue coding the actual avatar system itself. Because it's very Tuesdays, it's not necessarily the webcam, it's also the avatar system too. But looking at the time, I don't think I'll have the time to do much on the avatar system itself, so I might continue working on this. So let me see if I can pull off that animation with the side menu, but with the center menu now. I wonder if that would work. So I would need. I don't need Mario Bytes, no. Mario Bytes pop, just okay. Hello, Mario Bytes, goodbye. Top info bar, side menu. That's what. Okay, so now these are set here. Okay, side menu bar. Okay, I don't need side menu. I'm gonna need another MG. Which I'm gonna situate at what's gonna be the position? It's gonna be 100 and 100 and then dang it. It's gonna be minus 100. No. God damn. Corner. Go to the corner. 100 minus 100. I'm dumb. Alright, chicken fresh milk, for some peach punch, yellow part, which is yours. Yes. Risky, but you learn. As long as you don't throw water in it, you're good. Okay, so 100, and then I'm gonna go to that corner and set the position to 300. Okey-dokey. Now width and height, I'm gonna put the origin to this corner. Actually, no, I want to stretch. I'm dumb. I want to stretch the whole way. Then right 0, bottom 0. There. Fenrir Wolf 67. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the burbs. Birds? Burbs? Borbs? Burbs? Who cares? It's burbs. Welcome to the birds. Okay, so I've got that game object set up, so that's gonna be center menu. Just make all these buttons here. Create a game object. in that corner. That I will call. What's the impression for the other one? It's gonna be I'm gonna call this one a test menu for now, I guess. Test menu. Then create another one in there called the group. About it. That's what happens when there's a wild canine that joins the party. Okay, so group. Stretch this one. Okay, now it's gonna be inverted though. I'm gonna have to go from this. Okay, what's the horizontal resolution? 700? Is it 700? I'm doing 300. What's the res? 550. Yeah, 700. Oh, I'm doing 300 and then 700. Okay, yeah, I'm 1000 and then something. Yeah, Blackout, by the way, have you done the... Yeah, you did, okay. Good boy. Good Blackout. Congratulations. Okay, not my for 150, okay, 125, no. 125, seems you said 125? Stop info bar. Actually, I can check this one. What a weird number. Is it going off? It is not going off. Weird. What a weird number. I guess I'm gonna use it, huh? Not this one either. This one. Group and set this to. Okay, that's good. And now set those buttons inside there. Okay, so that group's done. So yeah, that's done. So now I have a test menu here, which I can put a canvas group. And I may put a second test menu. Or just, I guess, a button that's just gonna say, I don't know, something. See this. So now, and this I'm gonna remove this. Add another button. These are so disorganized, holy crap. Add another button down there. Call it the test menu. Remove this. And actually, I want to copy this. Side menu, I want to paste this here. Remove this one. I'm gonna have to set back those buttons. And set center menu, paste as new. test menu. Then this button, I can set the center menu function. This button press, and then move to this menu, and this button, bam. It's gonna be the center menu, bam, button press, to test menu. Okay. Now I just have to set this one back up. Especially the buttons, because now this one is empty. Boom. Not this. Same main menu. Bam. Same main menu. Button press. And then this button. Same main menu. Bam. Button press. There you go. Yes. Buttons. I'm all about I can't tell. I bought us right there now. Okay, let's see if I broke anything. So let's test this menu. Still works. This menu. Hey, this be good. So it works, and they have their own animations too. I just need to move it further though. And I have to put a mask on this too. On the center main menu, put on a mask. Like that. No, no, Austin, no, no, Austin, no, 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 no. Here. Thanks for the resub. No, 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 stop, no. No. At one point, can we call this bullying the burb? No. I've had enough drinks, Stanko. Also, the mask did not work. No. No, don't stop draining the burb. Boy. E. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Let's go now. If you have a 104th stream, you know anything more than that. Ah, thank you. Hopefully you'll see each other again soon. Yeah, thanks for coming by. Feel free to come by another time next time. And also feel free to check out my booth at Furality if you go to Furality this year. Ashton, stop! I'm out of water again! I don't have any more water. No, I said it was my last glass of water. I'm gonna substitute it when I see. Fuck's sake, Tony. God damn it, Tony. Why do this to me? Ooh, the beaties! It's some beaties. Like my ears. Well, Silky, thanks for the I'm not even finished, my. Thank you. Thank you, Sylvia. Thank you for the 1,000 BTs. Holy crap! And yeah, for the 5 gifted subs. Ah, God. I can't more for 100. Fuck. How am I supposed to react to that? Jesus Christ, people! Oh. Yes! Holy crap! Damn, where's the 5 gifted subs? 240 Catalyst, Video Rust, SGT Damn, Avian Atrocity, and Nidonoku. And then Austin with the gifted sub to Dan. Hey Dan, welcome to the club. And then Tony with 10 gifted subs. Holy crap! Songbird Sound Design, I can't speak. QB, Celestial Hatters, ADHE, Kajinotora, Pauzon, I Feel No Cat, Okay Michal, and Nincasty732, and Honello. Oh, congrats all to getting your subs, and thank you all for the gifted sub, and holy fuck, oh my god. The magic ABTs. For magic burn, also drink more water, Colin. Shut up. Stop making me drink more water, then god fucking damn it. I'm off the fucking, oh Jesus Christ, that's out of the face. My cup's full, peeps. Yeah, it's gonna overflow now for the next one. Oh crap. What have you done, peeps? Man, thank y'all so much. Yeah, holy crap, Houston. I'm fine out of fucking water. What am I supposed to fucking do now? I'm literally out of water. And I feel like I'm gonna drink too much now. I don't actually get sick now. Nice. That was a lot. Drink my. Austin, damn! Austin with another fake gifted 5 subs. I am unique, Matioasu, Everyday School, Silky Sylvia, and Honey Potato. Congrats on, thanks Austin. Holy crap, Austin, and then Damien with a 550 bitties, and then Tony with 100. What the heck is going on? Oh, hang on. Between 5. What? How in the heck did we reach hype train level 5? Austin! Right, how are you doing? Mighty Abidjan, don't forget one! We gotta invade VR chat with Abidjans. Jesus! They got the goal, you just missed the hype train level 5. Jesus! Also, you gotta get the sub. But Jesus! I've been good. You feel you have a time I got sick with COVID. Oh man, oh no! That sucks. Hopefully we recover soon. Yeah, COVID's bad. Austin, to be fair, you could have gotten the Evian by now with how many fucking things you gifted. Damn it, Austin. We need people. We need to invade. That's a background. We fucked up my fucking goddamn. Damn. 950. Damn. Come on. Look, peeps. Listen. Hear me out. We need to invade Furality with Avigins. We need to team up. And do flipping everything, almost everything, but especially the proto-gen meetup. Alright? The proto meetup, we all come in as Avigins. How does that sound? Also, Austin did 15 fucking 100 bitties. Jesus Christ. Do you see that? Yeah, that's what I told at the beginning of the stream when I talked about Ferrari was like, fuck, now I have to start my stream early. God damn it. Oh, fuck. They have no money right now. Austin, yes, yeah, no, you definitely don't have money right now. No, you definitely don't have money right now. God damn it. No, I'm having the hiccups now. God damn it. With that much water and that much hype. God fuck. Ah. Running event. Oh, you're running an event. Oh, which one? Which one? I wonder. Let me check the schedule quick. Alright, shit. Oh god. There you go. Sorry to try here. Fuck. Which one running? And they got a Countdown VR, building a virtual game show. I see, interesting. Yeah, virtual game show. Man, the thing is, now that the schedule's out, I also need to schedule out and send the schedule on my Twitter on what's gonna be the path for the stream. What's gonna be seen, what's gonna be missed. And right now I'm seeing that panel is at the same time as the IT tech enthusiast meetup. And I kinda wanted to go through that one. What episode of game show and world building behind the scene for it. Ah, interesting. Man, now the dilemma. That or the IT meetup? I wonder. I wonder. That's like, it's gonna be a very, like there's some things in there, like I'd like to attend a couple things. Most of it is gonna be booth hangout. But for the things I wanna attend, often than not, it's like both at the same time, which is a bit problematic. Yeah, usually I have like in the little corner, like in this corner, I have a little browser window with the player, the stream player with the stream. It's muted, of course, but it's it's there. I don't know what to stream myself. But yeah, I've also been working on my booth. Were you aware that I had a booth? I wonder, because I have a booth this time again. You probably were aware, just in case. And I just finished up the textures, the video, everything's done for it. So yeah, all I'm prepping right now is just finishing up the, just double checking the public FEGen, the public demo. And then that should be good. Verifying some details and preparing my own custom FEGen for myself. And yeah. Cool stuff. I'm gonna be promoting my my FEGen for sure in the booth. That's gonna gain some traction, I'm pretty sure. Like, knowing like how many people I've met in the booth last year, surely there's gonna be quite a bit of people that are gonna see this as well. So that's like an amazing opportunity to have a booth. I had thought of that, but I don't actually have time because I have to double check my public FEGen, be sure it works. I have to double check my booth info. I have to build up my schedule for the stream, and I want to do a stream banner as well. Because the thing is, let me go to my start stream screen for a second. Just to show, I had for Furality Legends, I had this here. That's what I had for Legends. Which, like, looks sick. But, I want to build a new one with, my Aqua Sona, and also the 𝒱𝐵𝐸gen with the fins. Like, I want to do something with that, and have all the info with this, and yeah. So I gotta prepare that, and especially doing the drawing, the polls, the animation, that might take a little bit. So I'll see if I have time for that. I hope I have time for that. Where's your start screen? There it is. The push. There. But this whole stream turned into discussing for all, you know, I guess. But yeah, because right now I'm like still stuck in that dilemma with the webcam where should I continue working on the app or should I continue the system? But I mean, Furality is slowly approaching, so I guess that's a good like point. And also the meetup, the 𝒱𝐵𝐸en meetup's coming up as well on Friday, so get your 𝒱𝐵𝐸gens ready for Friday, and we're gonna have a lot of fun on stream. I just realized I can get everything ready as soon as I can. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, hopefully you're gonna have everything ready for your panel, and get your energy up. And yeah, but I'm pretty sure it's all gonna be fine. I'm pretty sure it's all gonna be fine. And hopefully you can make it on Friday for the 𝒱𝐵𝐸gen party. Hopefully. It's gonna be live on stream. Let me refresh that. Okay, the skill did not update. But I'm wondering when the dealers are gonna open up at Furality. Cause let's look at the schedule quick. I guess while we're here. Oh god, that's gonna be a massive drop. Jesus Christ. Oh, there goes. Fuck my tracker. My tracker decided to eat. No, tracker. Yeah. Get back on my head. There you go. But yeah, let's look at the schedule. So what I had, because especially knowing how So look at the schedule, alright? So it's like Furality Aqua event schedule. So there's nothing here. Friday, nothing. Of course, it's still being a Friday. And then here at 11 a.m. EDT, which I think is like, can you see? Hang on, let me check. Let me check. 11 a.m. EDT to EST. I think it's very close. Yeah, capture. Thank you. Yeah, it's the exact same time as here. So 11 a.m. Bird meetup. Immediately bird meetup at 11 a.m. It had to be. Literally early bird. That's what you call early bird. So plan is, I'll see what I do. I'll see. But plan is to start the stream maybe at somewhere like 9:30, 10 a.m. between these times. That way I can get everything set up and running. And then got the time to explore the main hub. And then burn meetup. It's out. I don't see any description though. I feel like this is a crew feature. The burn meetup, then refer me to the WTs. I'll see if I do that one. I mean, I don't have visibility, but we'll see, because there's no panel yet either, which is a bit problematic. And the booths are not open yet either. But I'll see. And then over here, game time power hour at 1 p.m. Actually, no, noon. That's gonna be lunchtime for me. So this could be taken as for lunchtime. Yeah, it's not final yet, but I'm basing it off of what is here for now, to get like an idea. So it says here 1 to 2, that's game time power hour. Ah, wait. Alright, meetup details soon. Okay, so this, okay, so yeah. Then I'm guessing that's gonna be the game lobbies and everything, so I'm gonna use that. Introduce you to avatars, and then I don't know, maybe. Yeah, I might check that panel out. Cosplay, okay. Now that's the question. Do I want to go to this one, or do I want to go to the Avali meetup? That's the first one that clashes. Then you got piano performance, and then amp wave, soundbite meetup, which I don't have. So that could be something. Piano performance, that might be taken by DMCA, so that's why I might not risk it. Very perfect adventure, and BIPOC. We'll see. I don't think you can Furality. Yeah, I think I saw it somewhere down. Where was it? There. Yeah. Honestly, I was feeling, you know what? I shall go. That's like, I'm guessing what you're gonna play in the concert is gonna be DMCA free. It's gonna be stream friendly. Is it gonna be safe for YouTube? That's the question, because I'm doing re-uploads on YouTube. If so, I'm definitely coming, because I don't have a And yeah, like, if so, I'm definitely coming, and you should definitely check out my booth. Because I have a booth. You should definitely check it out. But yeah, if you get it, like, if you can, like, while you're here, like, is it gonna be DMCA free for YouTube? just safe precaution. It's true for YouTube might claim them though, since I do have some other song claim on YouTube content ID, but it will be acoustic differences. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, hey, my booth, I can guarantee you, it's beautiful, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna promote something in there. Psst, psst, psst. But yeah, so I'll see what I do for that, because I don't want anything claimed on my videos, because yeah, I hate claims. But yeah, I saw as well, I was actually quite surprised to see you at the in that chat. I was quite surprised to see you there. I was like, wait, you got a booth too? You got a panel and a booth? But yeah, I'm definitely gonna check that out. I want to check some of my friends' one, like 𝒱𝐼𝐵𝐸, Stop, yours as well. Those are my friends actually have booths this year, so that's gonna be interesting to see. But yeah, I'll see what I do for the content ID stuff. For Twitch it's gonna be fine, but for content ID, let's see. Maybe I'm gonna do some kind of like separate video or something. Or yeah, I don't want to mute it either, so I'll see what I do for that. Might get cut off, who knows. But yeah, let's continue with the schedule. So in order. Okay, building. Okay, that was that. That or that. Okay, IT or what? You don't know who is going in, because that sounds also interesting. So second crash. Udon Sharp Crash Course for Beginners. I don't have a circle with them, so yes. Opening ceremony, of course, and that's might be where the booths open up, hopefully. I hope. Whiskey Dingo, others. I don't have any of these. But what's that panel gonna be? Whiskey Dingo. What's Whiskey Dingo? Well, I guess more details soon. But that might be just a hangout. If it's not the booth, it's gonna be just hanging out. In the main world. Making a surf worlds. I will Victor Line VTuber. I want to go to the VTuber for sure. But man, I would like to go to the World 1. Crash number 3. Whiskey Dingo. Eh? Famous streamer guy. What? What now? Hang on a second. Whiskey Dingo. Hey, hang on a second. That Vortex or BFA, thanks for the 95 bits. Holy. Okay, I don't know how I did not know about them. Alright. Ah, yeah, I know. I've seen them. I've seen some memes with them. Never mind. Okay, I know. I've never watched their stream though. They just got a banana yeeted at them. Never mind it. Okay, a panel from them. Okay. Never mind. Okay, now I know. Okay, maybe I'm gonna attend that. Okay. Noted. I went to chaos for your taste. Well, fair enough. Yeah. I love chaos, but too much chaos is chaos. Okay, so probably that. But thanks for letting me know, because I'm bad with names. I'm good with visuals, but not by name. So that's the third clash. Or Blue Planet. What the heck does that? I mean, probably something about like, you call it like environment or something. And canines for VR chat. Canines of VR chat. Okay, so dog. I have a doggo avatar, so back up. Then, of course, Chaotic Concert. Can't forget about that. Victory Games VR Live Concert. I don't know whether... maybe I would like to go to the OSC hardware interface developer meetup. I mean, I've not played with OSC, but I'm interested in playing with that. That'd be interesting. That's a performance. Pool toy meetup, I don't have one. Kemono, and else. Okay, so from there, it's at 1:30 a.m. I might stop the stream for day one on that. Then maybe try... go to the DJ. Just to see. Maybe. Or maybe a boot hangout if it's opened. Then it's gonna be sleep time, so how many hours though? So if I do this, if I end the stream here, let's say a bit there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 8 hours of sleep. That's fine, actually. If I do this, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 hours of sleep. I can calculate 8 hours. Then immediately on second day, game power hour. Number 2. Oh fuck! Another clash. Fourth clash. World Dev Meetup or VR Fitness. Man, I wanna do the fitness again. The fitness one is so fun. But then the World Dev. Maybe I'm gonna do fitness for this one because I've not done Worlds yet. I've done a single one for that one micro video, but that's it. I do want to do more worlds, and I want to do like a custom world in VRC or Neos for like MDB meetups. Yeah, I'm so curious to see Aqua worlds. Hey, Wioski, hello. I'm just planning out a bit of Aqua streams for the end of the VRA streams tonight. Okay, so I'm gonna do VR Fitness. But yeah, as it mentions earlier, that's not a final schedule, so I'm just planning out what's there now, but I might need to reorganize, and that schedule stuff is going to be posted next week. Makes sense. Okay, then stream for VR chat events or Rex meetup. I don't have a Rex. Could be a boot hangout. Dealers Den meetup. I know that Herbert, but Dealers Den meetup. Heck yes. Letting Twitch chat control your avatar with OSC and Spooder. Spooder. Okay, but we're not going to that one. We're going to that one. The Protogen meetup. People. I want to do something. This Friday is going to be the 𝒱𝐵𝐸 meetup, but I want to do, we take our group of 𝒱𝐵𝐸s and we just go in the same instance of the Proto meetup. Let's organize this, peeps. Let's do it. On 𝒱𝐵𝐸s. Bam. In the Proto meetup. And everybody's going to be like, what the heck are those? We're your new selves. Or something. Whatever. But yeah, we gotta do that. 100%. Then, how to questify your assets and how to create a meetup. I'm gonna skip the questify because I know stuff about that. I don't need more info about that. But how to create a meetup, for sure. Because I'm gonna be able to print my 𝒱𝐵𝐸s too. Self-promote. Everyone visits your booth first to connect the public version to share around. I mean, you could share that around. Anyway, on the public version, if I open up the SDK, this, like if you take a look on the back of the head of the 𝒱𝐵𝐸, By default, it's gonna be this banner here. Which is literally the link to the HIO page. So it's kind of good publicity having it around. So yeah. Good stuff. It's literally free advertising, so get it and just let's invade that. But if you buy the 𝒱𝐵𝐸 and you make a custom one, that's even better. Because on the demo one, there's only the blue one. It's only this color. That's the one the demo has, but you can't switch between the other three colors. You have to use this with the demo. But there's also the Aqua shader as an option. That's gonna be there for Furality only. But yeah, if you can, buy 𝒱𝐵𝐸, make a custom one, and we invade the Progen meetup for this. Anyway, next meetup. We can discuss this a bit later. So after creating meetup, yes. 300 home world versus dance first and patron meetup. Might be a boot hangout. You can have any colors you like, as long as it's like pretty much. That's the demo one. I mean, if you buy it, you can have any color you want. But if you use the demo, you're stuck with the cyber blue. It's called the cyber blue. Fuzzy facial tracking, and aquatic meetup and hopkin meetup. Fuzzy facial tracking. You know what's interesting is that, yeah, there, face tracking meetup. That concerns me just a little bit for them, because the thing is, yes, you can do face tracking with OSC, but to actually use the facial tracker, like in its full extent, you have to use a mod. But mods are bannable. So this kind of encourages mods, if I'm gonna be honest. It's a bit concerning. Because it does kind of encourage having the face tracking mod. If it is exactly what I think it is, which is like if people with face tracking, or talking about face tracking. If it's just talking face tracking, yes, it's fine. But face tracking meetup, there must be face tracking with people with face tracking. And either they're gonna use OSC or they're gonna use the mod. You can use OSC to do face tracking. You could map the Vive facial tracker and the parameters to an OSC app that then transfers to the OSC parameters in VRChat. But the problem with that is that it takes up a shite load of parameters. So the option without parameters is the mod. And it's literally just like one click install. But in order, the mod, bam, you have the mod. But that's bannable. Like, VRChat does not endorse mods. And you could get banned. It depends on the mod, but a lot more parameters than USDK. Not really. They added the contacts. Like the new SDK, do you actually, unless there was an update to the SDK that I am unaware of. I don't think, because the thing is the avatar parameters are, you can only have up to like 120 IK 2.0 beta. Did they do that? I don't think they did. Where's IK 2.0? Where's the IK toggle hatch? I'm looking right now. Never mind. 256. I was not aware of that. I just saw it. Damn. Okay, well, never mind. You could theoretically do everything, all the face tracking with it. Okay, I was only aware of the IK 2.0 system, not the actual not the actual double increase in the bit size. But that's nice. Like, I managed to, my god, actually, fuck, then I really tried to optimize the FGen too much then. Holy crap. Cause I was still optimizing for the 128 bits. And there's still like space for like 5 floats or something in the FGen with 128 bits max. So now you tell me you've got like fucking like 16 floats extra. Oh my god. Well then, never mind. I guess, yeah, I left space, like 5 floats and like 3 or 4 bulls with the 128 limit. But I was not aware they increased it to 256. I was not aware of that. But that's actually very good news. Holy crap. That's so nice to hear. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna install the new SDK. If that's 256 bits, definitely installing it. Because I feel like I'm gonna fucking need it. My sauna is actually running out of parameters. Like, I'm at 127 out of 28. On my actual sauna, so that's gonna be a release to actually have double the parameters. And I'm definitely gonna try and implement face tracking for that. Because I'm gonna be streaming with the Valve Index, so I'm gonna be able to install my facial tracker on it. Man, fuck, that means I have one more thing to do before Furality. Oh shit. Damn it. Okay, well, never mind then. Okay. So theoretically, I know some OSC programs that have been made for the facial tracker and VRChat. So it should be good. I should be able to pull that off. Hopefully. I'm gonna do everything else priority. So finish up the Quest IVGen, make it public and everything. Finish up my own custom skin. Make up the stream banner. Make the schedule. And then I'm gonna try and implement face tracking on my Sona. I'll see if it's feasible. I hope it's feasible in the time I have before Furality. Yeah, fuck. Now that I know about this, fuck, now I have to work more. Anyway, let's continue with the schedule. And let's see what clashes again. DJing and you, the basics. And TikTok freeze. I might look at the DJ one. Actually, yes. I want to check that one. Yes. Jadowski, the experience. Ooh. JT having an experience. What kind of experience? I wonder. I don't have any of these. Musical mics, since PCs. No, mine would not count as, the admin would not count as species. No under fluffies, don't eat these. I'll see. Stay dancing, dragon. Under the sea. Yeah, think after that I can conclude that second day. And then try a bit more Clubfin with the Avigin, get some clips of that. Who knows, with some Avigin friends. I might organize, like, at the end of that stream, a party with, like, Lumaglow Avigins, because I have a Lumaglow package of the Avigin. And the Aqua toggle on the demo will have Lumaglow too. Not the colors, but at least the pulses with the music. And then a buttload of sleep. Then, of course, game time power 3 immediately, third day. Vibration, X, and first to resin 3 printing. That would be interesting. Maybe. I'll see what I stick into the, like, because I want to do as much booth hangouts as possible because of the Avigin, especially. Thanks about as agreements or anything. Anime meetup, and do you know that meetup too? Yes. That's the one I'm going for. Free musician and streamer meetup. Yes. Streamer meetup. VRC Lands 103. 103? Where's 101 and 102? Maybe. And I want to see the DevOps, but musician. I have to go to the musician one. Yeah, I mean, I know it's probably previous cons, but it's like, for people that are new here and they see VRC Lens 103, they're like, where's 102 and 101? Anyway, musician meetup. Okay, sure how to not create content. Yes, we gotta see how to not create content. Next could be a booth meetup. Limited world react, but also conventions. I like to play with the actual link between worlds game. Bringing VR portals to conventions. Maybe. Could be still a booth hangout. Booth hangouts again, and then closing ceremony. And then final booth hangout. Closing. And then I might try myself again at just that. And then I have to go immediately to sleep because I'm gonna have 6 hours of sleep. Let's go. God damn it. But okay, yeah, I mean, it's not too bad of a schedule. Could have been worse. But there's like a couple of clashes, at least at the moment. Hopefully it updates with a bit less clashes. But yeah, so far, that's what it's gonna kind of look like, as a general idea. And now I'm gonna have to end my stream, because it's 10 o'clock and I don't want to go too long tonight. But, man, VR can progress at least. I got some animations going, so at least that's pretty good. We kind of deviated to a little talk with about Furality, but well, whatever. It was fun. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and don't forget on Friday the Avigin meetup on stream. I'll be sending a link in the Discord server, so feel free to join my Discord server, where I'm gonna send the link to the world. And did I spell it correctly? Nightbot, are you okay? Yeah, there you go. Thank you, Nightbot. Where I'm gonna be sending the link to actually join the world. And yeah, we're gonna party, we're gonna play games, we're gonna be doing all the stuff, and you'll be able to ask me questions about the Avigins before buying as well. So yeah. But in the meantime, let's go see who raid. That's the wrong screen. Let's go see who raid. There. Let me check on Twitch. Who is there? Ooh, interesting. Is there anything here? No. Okay. Huh. You know what? Let's go say hi again to Dream Tech. Ben Bandit. Why not? I like him. Playing Portal 2, so talking about portals. And VR portals. Well, it's not VR, but still portals. Let's go say hi. Don't forget the little squawk in the chat. And until Friday, stay safe. And I'll catch you soon. See ya, peeps.